with the hair tutorial. I'm going to be taking this cocoa water spray by Cara Care, and you're going to need an edge tamer brush, a regular brush like a boar's head brush, some rubber bands, a wide tooth comb, and we're going to start by combing our hair. You can use your blow dryer. This is for natural hair stretched out. So I just blow dry my hair and it's stretched out. I'm going to be taking some gel as well. But first we're going to start spraying this cocoa water spray. It has Jamaican black castor oil. And it has castor oil in it. I just said that, I'm sorry, Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil. And I'm going to start by using my brush and brushing my hair all up. And now I'm going to take this gel by Cantu, and it has honey in it. So it's very soft and it's really easy to apply. So I'm going to just rub this all in. And I don't know what it is, but everybody loves when I do this high bun. I get so many compliments. And I'm going to show you guys the back, how I'm just going to brush all of this up. And this is going to be super quick. It's a super quick video. And you just want to make sure that your hair is as sleek as possible. So I'm just going to keep brushing until I get my desired look, my desired sleekness. And you're going to need some scrunchies. My hair is so thick, so I have about 3 here. And I'm just going to be making sure it's nice and tight, but not too tight, but tight enough. You just want to take your time and make sure that your ponytail is looking good and that it's nice and sleek. So we're going to be putting some more gel on, just because, like I said, this is giving sleek realness. And you just want to make sure your hair is just completely brushed. Now you can do this on wet hair, but I prefer doing my hair when it's nice and stretched out from a blow dry. More gel. I literally did this, you guys, this is literally like 6 o'clock in the morning before I go to work. So let's take some of this Got to Be Free spray. And I love this stuff because your hair is not going anywhere once you put it on. So I'm just going to get all those little hairs. And now we're going to start making our bun. So I like to just take my hair and wrap it around. And it does not have to be perfect. I usually just do like a cute little bun. As you guys can see, it's kind of like just like really cute and simple. Nothing too crazy. If I could get this rubber band. And as you see, it's just so cute and simple. And we're going to take another rubber band. And I don't wrap it around twice. I normally just use one. These rubber bands are from my beauty supply store. And I'm going to take my little edge brush and brush all those little flyaway hairs up. And we're going to take some more of that freeze spray and just make sure all those little flyaways are nice and in line. We're trying to get our hair in line. We're going to take some of that Got to Be glued now. And I love to use this stuff for my edges. I know people be saying that it's horrible, but trust me, you guys, your edges aren't going anywhere when you use this stuff. And I've never had any issues with my edges falling out or anything. And my hairs are very fine. Like, I have very fine hair in the front. And if my edges have lasted with this stuff, trust me, if your hair is thicker than mine, you will be just fine. It just holds so well. It's like the best. Besides, I think, what is it, Hicks? I think that edge control works really well. But this got to be glued. It definitely makes your hair glued. So I just keep working those baby hairs. And now I'm going to do the other side. And this style can be achieved, like I said, with all the products that I use. I will link them in the description box down below as well. This is like my quick go-to style whenever I'm giving my hair a break from like my wash and goes. I just don't feel like doing my hair, but I still want to look cute. It's just a really quick, simple style. So I'm going to take some more of that got to be glued. And we're just going to put that on our edges. And now we're going to do our sideburn on this side. Now that we're done with that, I'm just going to show you guys how it looks from the back. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Mwah.